Hello students, let us study few examples on cantilever for bending equation or flexural formula. Take down this equation on cantilever beam. A cantilever rectangular MS section, that is mild steel section, is 4 meter in length. It carries a load of due to its self weight of 5 kilonewton per meter. This is your new concept, but I will explain it. And the permissible bending stress in mild steel material is 5 Newton per mm square. Find the size of the section not bending moment, neither bending stress is asked. The size of the section is asked. Find the size of section if depth to width ratio is 2. So, I think this is peculiar example, different example, because load is not directly mentioned and size is asked. Moment is also not given, bending moment is not given, bending stress is given. Okay. So, it is twisted example. It carries a load due to its self weight of 5 kilonewton per meter. Here is your answer. Load is given per meter, so it is UDL, and you must remember one thing. Load due to self weight means UDL, uniformly distributed load is only UDL or self weight. So, UDL of 5 kilonewton per meter is there. So, one thing should be clear. Now, let us write down the given things. Length is 4 meter or 4000 mm. Weight 5 kilonewton per meter. Let us convert it in Newton per mm. So, 5 into 10 raised to 3 is Newton and divided by 10 raised to 3 is in mm per mm. So, 5 Newton per mm. Sigma is given 5 Newton per mm square and depth to width ratio is 2, that is D is equal to 2B. So, these are the given data. Now, let us draw the diagram. This is cantilever beam with uniform distribution UDL 5 Newton per mm. Length is 4 meter, that is 4 into 10 raised to 3 mm. It is rectangular. B to D ratio is given, D to B is ratio is given, that is D by B is 2, that is D is equal to 2B. So, this is width, this is depth. Now, using our flexural formula M upon I is equal to sigma upon Y, let us find out each and every term. We know that cantilever beam with UDL maximum value of bending moment is WL square by 2. So, W is given 5, length is given WL by 2. So, it is 4 into 10 raised to 7 Newton mm. Ixx is equal to BD cube by 12, not given, any value is not given, only the ratio is given. So, B into D cube, that is 2B cube by 12, it is D 8B raised to 4 by 12 or 0.75 B raised to 4. Y is equal to, Y is extreme fiber, distance of extreme fiber from neutral axis. So, it is d by 2 or 2b by 2. So, Y is equal to d by 2 or b by 2 by 2. So, it is b, and sigma is given 5 Newton per mm square. Now, using this formula, m upon I is equal to sigma upon y, putting all these values in equation, we get 4 into 10 raised to 7 divided by 0.75 b cube is equal to 5 upon b. Solving this equation, we get b is equal to 228.94 mm and d is nothing but 2 into b. So, 2 into 228.94, that is 457.88 mm. So, these are the value of b and d. So, this is our answer. I recommend you to solve at least 2-3 examples based on cantilever beam. So, though it is a twisted example, two terms are twisted, one is UDL and another is size of the beam is asked. So, it is very simple in that sense, because do not forget that this is our basic formula and this is standard formula you have to use while solving this cantilever beam. The another one, okay, no any twist, instead of only these two. So, I recommend you at least solve 2-3 problems. This is our example based on cantilever beam with UDL, and here is our standard formula for M max. Using that formula, we have solved this problem, which is very simple. Take down one more example on cantilever beam itself with point load. The change is in type of load. A cantilever beam of solid circular cross section, also cross section shape is changed, it is circular cross section. A cantilever beam of solid circular cross section and 3 meter long carries a concentrated load. What is concentrated load? It is nothing but a point load. A concentrated load of 35 kilonewton at its free end. If the maximum bending stress is not to exceed 125 Newton per mm square, then determine the diameter of the beam. So, the one or other way, it is very similar to last one. Now, see what is different. A concentrated load concept is new to you. Earlier we call it as point load, but concentrated load is nothing but a point load. It is a cantilever and point load is at the end, that is free end. So, this is cantilever beam of length 3 meter. So, let me write down here 3 meter. And concentrator or point load is of 35 kilonewton. So, it is of circular section. Using formula, flexural formula or bending equation, m upon I is equal to sigma upon y, where m is bending moment, in this case maximum bending moment, I is moment of inertia, sigma is bending stress, y is distance of extreme fiber. In this case, this is extreme fiber. So, distance will be d by 2. Now, I will not solve this problem, I will explain, and it is expected that you should solve the problem and give your answer in comment box. So, M in this case cantilever beam with point load at end M max is equal to W into L. This is standard formula which already we have studied. M is equal to W into L. W is given 35 kilonewton, L is given 3 meter or 3000 mm. Also W is 35 into 10 raised to 3. So, M you will get Ixx is pi by 64 d raised to 4, d is not given, you can directly put same value here I. Y is given d by 2, not given, y is equal to d by 2 and sigma is given 125 Newton per mm square. So, put all these values, find out M, find out or sigma is given and then directly you will get by simplifying the put value, you will get directly the value of d. So, I expect that you should find out this value of d and write in comment section. Also, it is recommended that solve at least 4-5 examples based on cantilever beam, so that it will be easy for you to solve in the exam. These all are exam problems. Earlier was also MSBT exam problem. I recommend you to solve at least 4-5 problems.